this has been undergoing, and many of our people are being benefited because of this credit extended to them. There's some funding agencies that have helped us from outside because we ourselves can never generate such an amount to be a source of credit for our people. We need the help from others. We are very, very much humble in our administration of the diocese, in the management of all the programs that we have made, and in implementing our mission and our vision that we have just read to you because of the financial strictures that came our way. At present, our greatest concern is social communication because we know full well that our people are more and more exposed to the media, and the church now needs the media, and our diocese needs very, very much that media in order to get across the values that come directly from the Word of God. But we have a radio station with us, giving food to our people, spiritual food to our people. But unfortunately, it has deteriorated so much after using for so many years, and therefore we need to have funds to replenish and to renew and to update our social communication. We also put up here for social communication the internet, the way that we could interact, and our people, especially the young, to interact with the world of today through this medium, what we call the IT medium, the computers and the internet. But again, many of our instruments are bogging down because of use, and we could not replenish them because we still lack our funds. And it's precisely because of all these needs that we have, financial needs that we have, that we get out from the diocese to ask for help from other people. And that's why also I decided this year to make a concentrated campaign for fundraising. And in fact, I made a resolution that this year I'm going to the States to make a mission appeal with some of my priests and consolidate all our efforts so that the plans that we have, the vision that we have formed, and a mission where we have committed ourselves for the building up of our diocese, for the particular church here in Eastern Samar, could really be realized. If ever we need this money, if ever we need this financial support, it is not something personal, but something that we would like to use for the good of the gospel.
Gamita ako, haimo kamuraya. Kundin may kapungot, gugma anig sa burat. Kundin may pagdumot, ang pagpasaylo. Kundin may luha-duha, ang pagtuo. Kundin may kapakyas, ang paglao. Kundin may kasisigman,